1 in 4 drivers get scammed before the odometer hits 100K. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn 13 car cons still thriving. Stay tuned, the last one can swap your steering wheel for handcuffs. These aren't urban legends, they happen this year on real streets, and for each scam, you'll get a one-line defense to use today. Scam number 1, the windshield money trap. Ever glanced through a frosty windshield and spotted a crisp $100 bill tucked under the wiper? That instant adrenaline rush is exactly what car thieves count on. But that's not all. Once you step out to claim your jackpot, they slip behind the wheel, lock the doors, and vanish in under 8 seconds. Engine purring and phone still on the seat. It gets crazier. Police in Atlanta, Chicago, and Phoenix confirm crooks now plant those bills outside victims' own homes, so the getaway driver already knows where you sleep. Free money never is. 1 fake bill, 2 stolen fortunes. Brutal. Even worse, most notes are counterfeit. Try spending 1 and you could face felony charges before you replace the car. Stay seated, lock up, and drive to a safe public spot before you investigate anything on the windshield, then toss it. Scam number 2. The wave-on intersection. Scam, you're first at a 4-way stop. Another driver technically has right-of-way, yet they flash a friendly wave for you to roll ahead. Seems courteous, right? The reason this is happening is a staged crash con that bleeds US insurers an estimated $20 billion a year. And those payouts hike everyone's premiums. As soon as your bumper moves, they ram you, insisting you ignored the rules while they generously tried to yield. A family in Queens milked this ruse for $6 million before prosecutors caught on. Dashcam footage or silence. One short clip wins court battles. Without it, their eyewitness friends back up the lie, and you eat the deductible plus a rate increase. Let the waving driver proceed or hit record and keep your position until the lane is unquestionably clear. Scam number 3, fake antifreeze leak. Picture walking toward your SUV after a mall run when a concerned stranger points out a neon green puddle beneath your engine. Coolant leak. Serious stuff, he warns, offering expert help. But listen to this. While you pop the hood and rev on request, he discreetly loosens the radiator cap so more fluid splashes out, proving the crisis. His partner's already prepping a quick fix fee that can top $300 cash only. One scammer in the Bronx banked $380 per victim for months. Cars rarely hemorrhage coolant instantly. Your temperature gauge would scream first. Stop. Breathe. Tiny leaks rarely seize engines within minutes. A calm driver is a safe driver. Instead of trusting parking lot mechanics, close the hood, thank the Good Samaritan, and drive straight to a shop you personally selected. No roadside repairs, no wallet drain. Scam number 4, the gas pump hustle. One pump can steal $1 million in seconds. Credit card skimmers slipped inside the reader clone your data the instant you swipe, while you're distracted by prices climbing on the digital display. It gets worse. 8,000 cars a year are also stolen right at the nozzle. One thief chats you up about octane ratings, another pops your unlocked door and drives off on your dime. Dual threat, double loss. In Florida alone, skimmer cases jumped 39% in 12 months, and investigators say a single device has harvested 40,000 cards before anyone noticed. Gas pumps are open ATMs for crooks. The friendly helper who offers to top you off? He'll keep the nozzle and sell your prepaid fuel to the next driver for cash. Pay inside with a credit card, lock your doors while fueling, tug the reader before swiping. Loose hardware means walk away. Scam number 5, plastic bottle on tire carjack. You ease out of a dim parking space and hear sharp crackling near a wheel. Instinct screams, you jump out to look, and 8 seconds later, your engine fades into the night. 8 seconds, and your car is gone. Originating in South Africa in 2018, this setup now circles US malls with weak lighting and lax patrols. But that's not all. Criminals place the bottle on the passenger side tire you rarely glance at. When you exit, they already know you left the keys and phone inside. Some crews even follow victims home, using the stolen registration to plan burglaries while you file paperwork. Predatory efficiency. If you hear an odd noise, keep doors locked and drive to a bright populated area before you inspect. Better a scuffed bottle than a vanished vehicle. Scam number 6, the flat tire setup. See a stranger waving at your sagging tire and offering help? Pause. They create the problem, then sell the solution. Con artists simply deflate one valve, wait, and rescue you with an overpriced fix or tow to their buddy's garage. It gets crazier. While you kneel to check pressure, an accomplice may rifle your backseat, knowing your focus is down and your doors are wide open. Tires don't drop from normal to pancake in 10 minutes. Your dashboard TPMS would have lit up before you parked. One Southern California shopper learned the hard way. $450 for a patch that cost $5, plus a stolen laptop. Carry a $15 portable compressor, verify your sensor history, and call roadside assistance or police before accepting any parking lot repair offers. Scam number 7. The impending danger trick. You're cruising a lonely 2-lane at dusk when a frantic motorist waves mouthing "fire" and pointing to your rear axle. Heart pounding, you pull over fast. But that's not all. The instant you sprint to inspect imaginary sparks, an accomplice slips into the passenger door and scoops up every bag, phone, and purse you left in plain sight. Panic clouds judgment. Police reports show crooks favor curves, wooded shoulders, and foggy stretches where dash cams catch nothing but taillights. Dual fact punch. 1 distraction, 2 thieves, empty car. Victims rarely notice the loss until miles later. Too late for plates. Wave thanks, keep rolling to the next populated stop, then check your vehicle in full light before opening any door. Love these bite-sized road defense tactics? Hit subscribe and grab the free PDF checklist pinned below. 13 one-sentence shields you can screenshot and keep in the glove box. Scam number 8. The chatty helper. Jenny had 3 grocery bags, a crying toddler, and a stranger cheerfully asking, "Need directions?" The timing felt perfect. Because it was planned. It gets worse. While Jenny answered, another hand reached through the opposite door and lifted her wallet, plus the brand new tablet she'd just bought inside. Friendliness can be costly. Surveillance footage shows teams targeting anyone visibly overloaded, parents wrestling strollers, seniors balancing canes, delivery drivers juggling parcels. A dual fact sting. 1 diversion steals your focus, the second steals your stuff. Retail lot losses from distraction thefts topped $50 million last year, and police say numbers keep climbing. Prioritize security, toss bags inside, lock doors, then crack the window to help. Never the other way around. Scam number 9, the tow truck trap. Predatory towing is legalized larceny, warns AAA spokesman Robert Sinclair Jr. And he's not exaggerating. You stall on an exit ramp, call roadside assistance, and a flatbed miraculously appears in 5 minutes. But listen to this. Unscrupulous drivers monitor police scanners, swooping in before your official provider and pressuring you to sign sketchy authorization forms. 1 form, 2 hidden fees, astronomical bill. In Dallas, a commuter was charged $2,400 for a 4-mile haul plus $75 per day in storage before he could reclaim prescription meds locked inside. Know your rights. Demand the tower's company name, license number, and destination choice. Photograph the truck, driver ID, and your odometer before a single chain clicks. Scam number 10, the fake parking ticket trick. A bright orange slip under your wiper screams, "Pay now, $85. Annoying but cheaper than court, right? It gets worse. Sophisticated forgers mirror city logos, print QR codes, and even embed microtext, so the citation passes a quick glance. Yet the moment you scan and type card details, 2 separate siphons start. First, the bogus fine. Second, a shopping spree across 3 continents before you finish dinner. Dual fact, double drain. Memphis police traced 1 ring that printed 9,000 tickets in a single weekend. Nearly half the city block swallowed the bait. Victims lost more to identity theft than the sham penalty itself. Real tickets live on municipal databases. Skip the QR, Google your city's payment portal, and search by plate. No record means crumble the slip and bin it. Scam number 11, keyless entry, jam and relay attack. Modern fobs promise convenience, but broadcast opportunity. Hackers park nearby with a relay amplifier that hijacks your key's low-power signal, stretching its reach from kitchen counter to curbside. The reason this is happening is simple profit math. One $80 gadget, 1 luxury SUV, 0 broken windows. Europol reports relay thefts up 93% since 2021, and insurers now label some models unstealable, with a caveat. The second twist is the jamming ploy. Crooks fire radio noise while you press lock, lights flash, horn chirps, yet doors stay ajar. Short sentence, always confirm the click. Dealerships admit 96% of keyless systems remain vulnerable pending next-gen encryption. Store fobs in a Faraday pouch at home, and when parking, pull each handle to verify it truly latched before walking away. Scam number 12, the VIN cloning racket. Imagine lenders hounding you over a 6-figure loan tied to a car you still drive daily. Impossible? Not when scammers duplicate your 17-digit vehicle identification number and slap it on a stolen twin. But listen to this. With forged titles, they sell that twin to an unsuspecting buyer who registers it in another state. Now 2 legal cars share one identity. Dual fact punch. You face liens, they disappear with cash. Houston PD logs at least 1 clone case a week. Florida DMV says reclaimed vehicles spike every tax season when registrations collide. Banks don't care whose paperwork is real, they just repo first. Photograph every VN location before purchase, cross-check against Carfax and state DMV data, then enroll in a $7 per month title monitoring alert to catch unauthorized changes before your driveway turns into a crime scene. Scam number 13, fake parking lot accident. A couple storms toward you, pointing at fresh scratches, matching your paint, claiming you sideswiped them while parking. It gets crazier. They already sprayed their own bumper with your exact color, and a paid witness is filming you confessing by simply looking confused. Staged collisions like this have extracted on-the-spot cash or six-figure insurance settlements. One ring in Nevada netted $650,000 before detectives caught on. Parking lots are litigation playgrounds. No police, no cameras, all emotion. Victims cave fast to avoid courtroom drama, but that hush money admission can haunt your premiums for years. Evidence ends extortion. Park away from crowds, activate a dashcam with audio, and insist on calling police before any payment. Let facts replace fury. One crisp video, problem solved. 13 scams, 13 shields. You're now miles ahead of the average motorist. Keep that momentum. Tap the end screen for 17 sneaky car dealer tricks you need to know. One tip alone could save your ride. This content is for informational purposes only and is not professional advice. Consult a qualified expert.